I recall, it'll be in there just like that. Cables will be coming in from the floor on that side for the emergency brake teed off once we get the right dimensions for the holes. Look at that, simple, nice, out of the way, just the way we like to do it at VTSV Auto.
Oh, Mr. Rich, you bended. Oh my God! You bended, Mr. Rich. Oh, Mr. Rich.
I wish I had
You
gas.
bended, Mr.
I wish
Rich.
I had
Oh,
gas.
man.
Gotta put the inside. This is what they send. I made this setup. This mounts into your thin floor, which is like 18 gauge steel. You put too many pulls on it, this here is gonna buckle the floor, tear itself out. With the 1/8 inch plate, this ain't going no place. This is the slug for making the mount brackets. It gets a bend here, it gets 2 triangulated guts that's there. This gets cut off to make the gussets. And then we drill it, we center the unit on it. These are where the unit mounts. And then these are for the cables for the units. Once, you know, we get it drilled, we get the insert pieces for the cables. We'll put the cables in, cut them down to size. This will be the controller for the adjustment for the emergency brake, because they stretch. So you have to have adjustment on them. So we've got this, we're making these for putting the cables on and adjusting them. But it's just, you know, more stuff we do here to make things better. Unfortunately with kits, we've been finding out that the kits don't come with everything. You have the cable, the actuator, and then nothing to mount it on the car. And nothing to attach the cables to the other cables, which come in the brake kit. So I have to improvise and make all those pieces to make the thing work. And, you know, it's just more fabricating, but you have to figure it out. You have to, you know, see what's going to work, what the throw's going to be. There's a lot of mathematics involved in it to make it work properly. And that's what we're going through right now, is getting all that functional. Watch your eyes. Blacksmithing. This will mount up behind on the back of the trunk or behind the seat, depending on which way it goes on which car. But this is going to be our new universal bracket for it. It's 1/8 inch steel, nice and solid, and we're going to clean it up. This is in the prototype stage here, where it's not overly clean yet, but we'll clean it all up nice and get it ready to go out to be powder coated. We'll drill the holes probably after it comes back, because I don't have the bushings for it to set everything up the way I want it. And this is going to be the Mr. Rich Special Electronic Emergency Brake Bracket from VTSV Auto. We can build anything.
This is an electronic e-brake that's made by Kindig-it Design. You got a patent on it. I think it was in 2012. If you go to their website at SEMA, he showed it and they patented it. But you know, now manufacturers are using electronic e-brakes on most of the new cars. You just hit the button, it automatically sets it. You hit the button, it automatically releases it. What Mr. Rich did was pretty much make a, you know, out of 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch thick steel, a solid bracket. We're going to send it out to powder coater, but we want to get everything in, fitted, test first, and then we'll blow it all apart, send it off to powder coating. And now we got a jig. If we want to add this to another vehicle, we could do just such. So now it's just fine tuning, getting everything put in to make sure everything working right. We had a couple of them here at the shop, so we're incorporating them in a couple of builds. The Pontiac will get it, the Monte Carlo will get it. You know, Kindig-it is a builder that I respect a lot of the stuff that they do. The Kindig-it Design door handles that we put on the caddy, same person who made these. So nice ingenious minds. So a couple of their products that we'll use. But now, like certain manufacturers, the Wilwood brakes that we put on the caddy, they have the e-brake, this already built into the rear brake structure. So you wouldn't need it on a car if you buy that. Now, obviously, that's going to be more expensive to buy a rear brake kit. You know, 14, 15 inch brake kit that has the e-brake built in will probably cost you about $3,500 versus that same brake kit will probably be at $1,000 less without it. It'd probably be $2,500 without it. So that's the kind of difference. But then you're gonna spend the same $1,000 purchasing this kit, building this bracket, getting everything installed. So, you know, 6 in one hand, half dozen in the other. It's still gonna be, you know, the same thing. So very effective, nice, clean install. But it'll also give you functionality like we do here at VTSV Auto. Modern technology in old school. So stay tuned, man.